this is a demo for the Lightning CP command. So the CP command allows users to access data across different clouds very easily. For example, in this case, I've prepared a AWS Studio and a GCP Studio. Also, if you go onto the Teamspace drive, there's a folder called Lightning Storage, which is our cloud agnostic folder, which also has some data to demonstrate this. The command looks very similar to the Linux CP command. You have to pass in the org name or the username, the Teamspace name, along with the path to the data. So this command is going to download main.py from the AWS Studio. And this command is going to download the entire GCP Studio locally. Nice. And last, this is going to download data that is stored in our cloud agnostic folder.